Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rudresh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you two most powerful and commonly used acupressure points for instant pain relief of any body pain that really work and are used by 90% of acupuncturists all around the world and also by doctors themselves for the pain relief. If you are suffering from pain, don't worry, you are not alone. Around 70% of Indians, which means around 90 crore Indians, have been suffering from acute or chronic, one or other different types of pain, despite taking very powerful painkillers such as nimesulide, aspirin, paracetamol, Dolo 650. I have treated thousands of people who have been suffering from severe pains successfully, and from my experience, today I will teach you two most powerful acupressure points to cure or to get instant pain relief of any body pain in a matter of minutes. Here are the two most powerful painkiller acupressure points. In the Chinese they are called as Lingu and Dabai. I will show you exactly and precisely how to locate them using surface anatomy landmarks and how to accurately apply the pressure so that you can get instant pain relief for any pain, whether it is knee pain, back pain, neck pain, headache or migraine, without any painkillers. And I have treated thousands of patients using these 2 points with miraculous results. So please watch this video till the end, as you do not want to miss these two secret painkiller points that work far better than any costly and strong painkillers like magic bullets, but without any side effects. And I forgot to mention, it doesn't cost you any money. I'm going to show you exactly how to locate them and how to apply the precise pressure so that you don't have to suffer from pain anymore. In fact, many patients come to me after suffering from knee pain, back pain, neck pain, despite taking 5 to 10 different painkillers, because painkillers work in the beginning. After some time they lose their efficacy or their effect. Instead of getting relieved of pain, people actually continue to suffer from dangerous and unwanted side effects. For example, most of the painkillers will cause you side effects like stomach pain, stomach ulcers, acidity, weight gain. Some people even will end up with kidney failure. Our acupuncture or acupressure has been in this world since 5,000 years. This is the oldest medicine and it has been approved by WHO or World Health Organization. Also, it has been recognized by Indian government as an independent medical system like Ayush. So now it is time to learn these two most powerful secret painkiller acupressure points. So if you look at my right hand, you can see 2 bones. This is second metacarpal bones and this is first metacarpal bones. And if you come here, the 2 bones join here, and this is called as Lingu, the Great Valley. And here you have to apply the pressure. So let me mark this point with the pen so we can locate exactly. So other way to locate this point is, you please come here. The moment there is a dip, that is a place where you have to locate the most powerful number 1 acupuncture point in Master Tung acupuncture is Lingu. In fact, this point has been used for treating hundreds of different conditions, in addition to being a top number 1 painkiller point. So now, using this probe, or you can use your finger or acupressure pen or electric device, you have to come here and apply the pressure for 3 minutes. You can apply up to 10 minutes, no problem. Press very hard. You can also use your thumb and index finger. This is called lingo, number 1 painkiller point. Now there is one more point called Dabai, great white, and if you look at this joint, this is called metacarpophalangeal joint between the hand bones and the finger bones. This is the head of the second metacarpal bones, and if you come here, you can slide down here, and this is the point. Other way to find is from this joint, use one little finger, and here you should be able to find the point. So let me locate this point. So this is called as Dabai. Some people also look at this point here. So both are correct. Both work great. So now what do? You can just apply the pressure for 3 to 5 minutes, or you can apply up to 10 minutes. So one here and one here. These two are top 2 most powerful painkiller points for instant pain relief of any body pain. Also, the word of caution: pain is like just a symptom, it is not the disease itself. Everything has 3 things: the symptom, the pain, the disease, and the cause of disease. So pain is like fire alarm. When there is fire in the building, the alarm bells, and only putting the alarm off is not going to help you. So only suppressing the pain, either with painkiller or acupressure, will give you temporary relief. However, it can worsen the underlying condition. So when there is fire alarm, in addition to putting the alarm off, you need to also put the fire off. So in some cases, the pain can be symptom of the serious underlying cause, such as cancer or tumors, trauma or injury. In case of knee pain, it can be due to wear and tear, degenerative changes when the bone sits on another bone. It can be due to nerve compression as in slip disc. It can be due to pneumonia or TB. So you need to go to doctor, you need to come to us and actually find the underlying cause and treat not only pain, the disease and the cause of disease, all the 3 together. I am acupuncturist as well as allopathy doctors. I am working for AcuStar Wellness in Bangalore. We have the cure for many incurable diseases. We don't treat only symptoms. We provide very low cost, economical and effective cure for incurable diseases such as severe migraine, severe arthritis, slip disc without surgery. So we save you a lot of money, and also we save you from side effects of the many chemical drugs, and also from complications of many unwanted and dangerous surgeries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel by clicking over subscribe button here, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my latest videos. Subscribers will get latest and most useful health secret tips so that you can get freedom from hospital bills and stay healthy. Thank you very much for viewing this video. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.